Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate cake donuts. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, mini chocolate chips, which is optional, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a small bowl, add in the egg, milk, canola or vegetable oil, sour cream, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix them together until they're just combined. Try not to overmix the batter. Then pour the batter into a piping bag, or you can use a large Ziploc bag. And lightly grease 2 donut pans with nonstick cooking spray. Cut off the tip of the piping bag and pipe the batter into the pan, and bake them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into one comes out clean. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. And transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. While they're cooling, you can make the vanilla glaze. Sift the powdered sugar into a small bowl and add in the milk and vanilla extract and whisk them together until they're combined. Place the cooling rack with the donuts on top of a baking sheet. Then dip each donut into the glaze and use 2 forks to lift it out of the glaze, and place it back onto the cooling rack, and the baking sheet underneath will catch any drips, and continue doing that for the rest of the donuts. And that's how to make chocolate cake donuts. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.